Morning, everyone. I just wanted to talk quickly about the hand drill. And one of the things that I noticed that Dave Halliday did in one of his videos, it was very quick and wasn't explained very well. Um, but he had explained it to me before. And so I want to share that with you. And that is, um, if we want to bring the friction down so that your spindle can move faster and create more heat, we can do that by one simple move, and that is to just take the center of your spindle out. And so we can just bore into it. And so I can really reef in there and have bad knife skills, but it won't. Um, and so all you're going to do is just take the center out. And what that does is that makes um, less friction, obviously, in the center of the spindle, and that's going to give you more speed, which should create more heat. So you should be able to see that there. I'll hold that right up. Hopefully that works. And so, in doing that, it's going to create more heat. Just don't have enough oomph over the spindle here. So I didn't get an amber. I've hurt my shoulder yesterday helping with a fence. But you know what they say. Excuses are like assholes. Everybody's got one. So, anyways, that little tip does work. And what was the last one? Oh yeah, soft hands. And so, if you want to hand drill more, you don't want to be like this. You don't want to have your fingers out. You can really feel that. Because what that does is that makes all the skin here on your hands hard. And so when you're rubbing the spindle across your hands, you're gonna damage the skin easier. So if we loosen up our hands and then rotate the spindle in our hands, and we have soft hands, not only are we going to get a longer stroke, because we can go fingertip to palm heel, but we also get softer hands, so we can do more friction fire making. So anyways, hopefully those two tips help. I know they helped me when I was beginning. Like anything in friction fire, it's very important that we have super dry wood, and the conditions are super dry as well. That's going to help us out. Doesn't mean you can't do it. I've bow drilled in really crappy weather, and got fired, but it makes your life easier. So if you're just learning, these are some points. Hopefully they help you. And yeah, have a great day. So take care. Cheers.